Since the beginning of the 90s, optical fiber has become an essential backbone of today's digital world and internet infrastructure. Optical fiber is transporting most of today's world's data, using light instead of electricity. A less known application with fiber optic technology is to use it as a sensor for structural health monitoring, and that's what we do at SOCOTEC Monitoring. Our goal is to take advantage of the great properties of the optical fiber to design new sensors and new monitoring solutions. SOCOTEC Monitoring is capable of deploying all kinds of solutions for structural health monitoring, from the sensor itself that we can design to the cloud-based data platform for real-time visualization. With the right packaging, we can make displacement sensors, pressure sensors, or accelerometer, for example. We can measure temperature, strain, or even acoustic events all along the fiber. As optical fiber shows great advantages over electronic sensors, as being tolerant to a wide range of temperature. It is mainly used in challenging or harsh environments that standard electronic sensors cannot withstand. For example, it can be used from cryogenic temperature up to 700 degrees, as in industrial process monitoring, like furnaces or aluminum production. We can do fire detection along a tunnel or monitor the temperature of the concrete when the fiber is embedded inside a foundation. So what makes it so special is that this tech capability is passive with no electronics. Optical fiber is suitable for any environment, such as explosive atmospheres, as there is no risk of sparks, like in the oil and gas industry, for example, leak detection, tank monitoring, or pipeline integrity monitoring. The fact that the light can travel several kilometers with very low attenuation makes remote sensing very well suited for wide structures like bridges, tunnels, or pipeline. And you can also have the ability to create a map of the measurement you want to monitor. All these examples show the great potential and the incredible properties of the optical fiber that gives us access to some measurement that could not be made otherwise. This tech capability will lead to new opportunities and perspectives for the monitoring industry in order to make the world a safer place.